Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to cosine x dx. This one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by du. So about 3u, I can put about u plus 2u. We can do about factorization by u. This one by number 2. Now we can do another factorization by u plus 1. Now we can use about partial fractions. So a over u plus 2, b over u plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u plus 1. So capital A multiplied by u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u plus 2. So capital B multiplied by u plus 2. And now we have this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have number 1 with a, so we have 1a. Number 2 with b, so we have 2b. And now we need to compare coefficients. About this one, we don't have u, so a plus b equals to number 0. About this one equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So we can find the solutions of a and b. So we have a equals to negative number 1, b equals to positive number 1. So we put negative number 1 go in here, positive number 1 go in here. So a equals to negative number 1, b equals to positive number 1, and now we have the final answer in here. About u, that is about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.